Hey friends, today what we're going to practice is representing multiplication. We're going to review our vocabulary words first. So we have first of all the factors like 5 times, let me put my head up here, 5 times 6, and then the product is the answer, which is 30. And so we can represent multiplication in many different ways. We've talked about equal groups, and this is an array. We've also talked about, and today what we're going to be talking about is we're going to be working on an area model, okay? And this is what an area model looks like. So we have how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in our columns, we have 5, that's our first number. And then how many is in each row is going to be our second number. And those two numbers are our factors. And if we count by 6 5 times, we'd have 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30 to get the product 30, okay? So a way that you can show a product is to make an array. You can also use an area model to describe a product. For example, we're supposed to write a multiplication number sentence that describes the product 30. So we can make an area model. Step 1, we can use grid paper to draw an area model. Draw a rectangle that contains 30 square tiles, okay? Step 2, find the number of rows and the number of square tiles in each row. 30 square tiles form 5 rows of 6 square tiles. To give us the solution, 30 equals 5 times 6. All right, friends, you can go ahead into Schoology, and hopefully it is working well for you today. I know yesterday we were having some trouble, but let's go on into Schoology, and we're going to solve those 5 questions today for practice. So I will see you in the morning. Bye.